Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful day. And in this video I'm going to solve a hextree challenge, which is io.hextree.reversingexample.apk. I already downloaded the application. This is the application and already decompile it using APK tool. You can find that section in the previous video. And in this video I'm going to solve the second flag, which is can you edit the AndroidManifest to make it the unreachable activity exported and reachable. So that we just need to first visit the AndroidManifest. I already told you that I already decompiled the application, so I opened this folder into my VS Code and found that there is like some activity. Two of them are exported true and three of them are not exported, which is exported equal to false. And there is activity which is, I think, this one. Why? Because it says that the flag description says that it's an unreachable activity, and this is the unreachable class, or you can say unreachable activity name. So first we can just export, we can turn it into true. Also there is another change that we need to do. We can do that later on, or we can do that now, which is export native library equal to true. This will, if we don't do this, it will throw an error. Then we need to do that again. So we already did that so that we don't get an error. Now we modify our AndroidManifest.xml successfully. Now we need to compile the application again. So we can just go to the folder. Also we need to generate a signature, cryptography signature key. Now we can just build the application by doing apk tool b, and if we hit enter, we need to go to the directory first where we decompile the application, and then we need to run the apk b command, and it will build the decompiled application and build the original one that we can run on our Android Studio. So now we need to wait for a while. Okay, so the application is built, and this is the path. We need to copy the path because we need that now. Okay, so after building the application, we go to the folder. This is the application. Now we need to generate a key. We can use key tool to generate a key, and the key store, research key, alias, key algorithm will be RSA, key size will be 2 bytes, and validity will be 10,000 days. If we hit enter, we need to enter a password, re-enter the password. We don't need to fill this field. Yes, we confirm that, and it will generate a key for us. This is the key. So now we need to sign the application using jar signer with verbose key store, and our application which is io.hextree, and the generated key. And if we hit enter, okay, alias, we actually forget a command. We actually forget something, which is my bad, research key. Now we need to enter the password that we give when we generate the key. If we hit enter, it throws an error, key store load. I think I need to like put this before the application. Hit enter the password. Yes, it's signed. Finally it's signed, and we have the signed APK now. Now we can just install it using adb install io.hextree, and it throws us an error. I think we need to uninstall the main APK, which is we already downloaded. We can just uninstall it. Okay, now it's uninstalled. We can back to our terminal and install it. Again, it throws an error. Okay, so now we need to align the application. For that, we are going to use a tool called a zip align. We can find that, I think it's on C drive, on user and the username with the app data, Android or local, then Android, then SDK, and then build tool, and then the version. We can find that with this 36.0, so 36.1.0, not a problem. And then I think, yes, so this is the zip align full path. Okay, so this is the main path. I think that's the same path for you also. I don't know, but you can find that in various ways. So we just need the zip align tool to align the application. After that, we can put some flag. Okay, now we need if the application, which is io.hextree.com, and align.apk. The name you can put here any name, and if I hit enter, it will align. And if you see this verification successfully, then it's okay. Now we need to again use the signer. We can like get back to this command, and I think the apk signer is also in there. Yes, apk signer. We need to sign the key sign, and our key, which is research key store, and the align apk. And we need to put the password, and now it's signed. If I like install, I can now try to install adb install the align apk. Now it's installed, and if I hit enter, if I like open the application, and now I can start the like unreachable activity. Also, this is the package name. We need both of that. So now I just adb shell am start the package name with the activity, which is unreachable activity. If I hit enter, it throws an error message. Okay, so I put the wrong command. I actually put backslash. We need a forward slash, and if you hit enter, it will start the activity and you get the flag. This is the flag, so you can verify that. It says it's not the correct one. And yeah, that's the correct flag. And that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.